A list of healthy foods with low carbs and low sugar. Nowadays, many people are looking to lose weight and get healthy. Junk foods are high in processed carbohydrates and refined sugars. These have been proven to cause inflammation throughout the body. Over time, this can lead to a great range of illnesses such as diabetes, weight gain, obesity, arthritis, eye disorders, heart attacks, strokes, and many more. In today's video, we will share with you a list of the top 20 healthy foods which contain very low carbs or sugars. Eating these in the place of junk food will bring in lots of nutrients to your body and allow it to heal naturally. These are practical to eat when following a low-carb diet such as keto. Let's take a look at some of these foods. 1. Kale. Kale is one of the most nutrient-dense superfoods on the planet. This is a leafy green vegetable which helps to lower inflammation and provide energy and nutrients. It contains no carbohydrates, only healthy forms of fiber. 2. Eggs. Pasture-raised eggs contain all the building blocks of life, yet have very few carbs or sugars within them. They are rich in proteins, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals which help the body's cells to heal and grow. 3. Walnuts. These contain a very low amount of net carbs and contain a high amount of fiber. They provide minerals like selenium and zinc which heal the thyroid gland and are an excellent source of omega-3. 4. Cheese. Cheese from grass-fed cows is one of the healthiest sources of fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, E, D, and K2. This helps calcium to be absorbed into the bones, teeth, and nails. It also contains healthy fatty acids and proteins which improve the health of the brain. 5. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and are converted by the body into lots of energy. They are one of the best sources of potassium for regulating blood pressure, reducing sugar cravings, and strengthening the heart, liver, and brain. One whole avocado contains only 2 grams of net carbs. 5. Chicken. Organic chicken is a lean white meat which is rich in iron, protein, calcium, potassium, and B vitamins. This supports the health of the heart and increases serotonin in the brain to ward off depression. Meat sources contain 0 carbohydrates or sugar. 6. Butter. Another low-carb food which is rich in natural fats. Pure grass-fed butter that has not been blended with vegetable oil is one of the best sources of vitamin A to protect your eyes, skin, and hair. The calcium in butter also strengthens the bones, joints, and teeth and is very bioavailable. 7. Garlic. This is one of nature's tastiest and best plant-based medicines. This contains 0 grams of net carbs yet strengthens your immune system to fight diseases and infections. Use this to add flavor to your favorite low-carb or keto recipes. 8. Beef. A healthy red meat containing a rich source of vitamin B12. Organic beef is excellent in the development of healthy muscles and provides energy. Like chicken and other meats, this contains no carbs or sugar. 9. Coconut oil. Extra virgin coconut oil is rich in healthy fats called MCTs. These provide an alternative fuel source for the body called ketones. Start cooking with this instead of unhealthy vegetable oils to improve insulin resistance and boost brain health and focus. 10. Salmon. Like other fish, this is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids which heal the body internally, especially when trying to lose weight. Eating wild-caught fish improves the health of the central nervous system and contains no carbs or sugar. 11. Green tea. Matcha green tea contains no carbs or sugar yet is one of the healthiest drinks on the planet. It contains a substance known as chlorophyll which is a powerful source of antioxidants. These heal and cleanse the body internally at the cellular level, helping you to lose weight and lower inflammation. 12. Blackberries. All fruits contain a small amount of sugars, however berries contain the lowest amount. Blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries contain anthocyanins which heal the body and sharpen the brain. Eat these sparingly when following a low-carb diet such as keto. 13. Cauliflower. This healthy cruciferous vegetable is well known for its anti-inflammatory effects due to its concentration of antioxidants. It contains 2 groups of antioxidants which have been scientifically shown to slow the growth of cancer cells. 14. Xylitol. This is a replacement for granulated sugar. Xylitol is a natural sweetener made from the wood of birch trees. This tastes sweet and exactly the same as sugar, yet is not easily absorbed in the intestines. This triggers a very low insulin response compared to sugar and is therefore excellent when trying to lose weight. 15. Mint. Mint is one of the healthiest and tastiest natural herbs available. It contains a powerful compound called menthol, which is anti-inflammatory and heals the body from within. Herbs like this are unlimited on a low-carb or low-sugar diet. 16. Lemon. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is often used on a low-carb diet for cleansing the body and boosting digestion. Lemon juice prevents kidney and liver stones and helps the body to break down the foods that you eat. 17. Sauerkraut. This is a form of fermented cabbage often eaten in Europe. This has a negligible amount of net carbs, yet has some fantastic benefits for digestion. Sauerkraut feeds the friendly bacteria in the gut and intestines for better overall health. 18. Macadamia nuts. These nuts are rich in natural fats and are extremely low in net carbs. They are used as a herbal medicine in Australia to treat rheumatoid arthritis and joint pain. The healthy fats are also a wonderful source of energy. 19. Parsley. Parsley can be used to make parsley butter sauce, a healthy low-carb sauce for your meals. This powerful herb helps the liver in detoxification and removing poisons from the body. This can also improve hormone balance for greater health. 20. Turmeric. One of nature's most powerful natural healers, this spice can be used in cooking to boost the health of the body rapidly. This can work wonders for lowering blood pressure, aiding weight loss and curing depression and anxiety. Be sure to add a little black pepper to this to help your body absorb the curcumin compound it contains. As you can see, there are a great range of foods available which contain no sugar and no carbs. Most leafy green cruciferous vegetables can be eaten without concern and contain the highest amount of plant-based nutrients. These have high fiber, which prevents them from raising blood sugars. Vegetables should be eaten raw or lightly steamed, as once they are cooked they lose some of their nutrients. We recommend eating lots of kale, watercress, broccoli, cauliflower, bok choy, spinach, beet tops and arugula. If you suffer with bloating from vegetables, you can consume sauerkraut and other fermented vegetables which are easier to digest and improve your gut health. It is important to be aware when following a low-carb diet that many fruits contain a lot of fructose. This sugar promotes an insulin response which slows down weight loss. Eating less than 20 to 50 grams of net carbs per day is the best way to promote healing in the body and trigger fat burning. When eating meat, try to look for high-quality grass-fed animals which have not been processed or used in ready meals. A healthy ketogenic diet is one of the best ways to improve your health and follow the low-carb, low-sugar lifestyle. To learn more about nutrition and healthy foods, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.